What's up, guys? Crypto Renegade here again with another video, and in today's video we are going to look at the new Shapeshift beta using the Trezor Model T. So yes, just today it was actually released where there is multiple different hardware wallet support on the new Shapeshift trading platform. Previously it was just the Keep Key, and I have a video that I'll link down below where I did a full review of the Keep Key with the new Shapeshift beta platform. So today we're going to take a look at how it works with Trezor and kind of walk through the steps, test a transaction, and see how smooth it is, even though it's the first day in the beta for Trezor. So Trezor Model T and the beta platform. So let's check it out here. But before we jump into that real quick, just want to point out that Bitcoin is up 12% today. So we've been kind of ebbing and flowing, and last night it actually got down as low as 9,500. And today we're back up to it about 11,300, and it appears that we have strong momentum and climbing. So hope everyone bought the dip, and we're going right back up to where we were and even further, so be prepared for that. So let's take a look at the Trezor Model T. This is the device I have right here, Trezor Model T. It's plugged in, ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and switch screens so that we can take a look at this platform. So as you can see here, when you plug it in, it gives me an option: which wallet do I want to connect, the Trezor, Keep Key, or the Ledger, which is not active. That's coming soon. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and select Trezor. And even though it shows an error, I'm going to go ahead and connect it. And it's pulling up the Trezor platform. So what it does is it actually connects through an API through Trezor's platform. You need to have the Trezor bridge installed. If you don't currently have it installed, which I do, it'll walk you through the steps of doing that. But ultimately what you want to do is make sure that you have the Trezor installed and that it's initialized and it's already set up. So if it's a brand new out-of-the-box Trezor, make sure that you set up your recovery seed phrase first, set your PIN, and do all the initialization of your hardware wallet before you attempt using the Shapeshift platform. Also, if you don't have access to the Shapeshift platform, go ahead and click my link down below and you can get free access to it. If you refer 5 friends through your link once you set it up through me, you can actually get a free Keep Key as well, so keep that in mind. But let me go ahead and refresh this real quick just to make sure that we're good to go. Running a little bit slow. Just tested this before, so I'm going to try real quick just to disconnect and reconnect. Just give me one moment here. Alright, error cause. Okay, I'm just entering my PIN on my Trezor device. So it's authenticated. And now that it's authenticated, I'm going to try to connect one more time. Okay, it's going to read my allow it for sessions for allow it to access, export multiple public keys. That's just for syncing my web wallet with the Shapeshift platform. And I'm authorizing that. So no sensitive data is being released. It's just authorizing the public keys. So on my Trezor, it actually, awesome, Trezor is connected, so I'll continue. So just to kind of clarify, this Trezor I just received and just did the basic initialization. So there's no funds on it yet, but I'm going to do a test transaction here on this video for you so you can see how it looks. So this is just letting you know what assets are natively supported on the Trezor platform. A lot of ERC20 tokens, even some stable coins, but it also will work with any MyEther wallet and MyCrypto.com third-party wallets as well. But these are the native apps that you can do trades and then set up. So I'm just going to click Finish Setup here. And as you can see, it says in the upper right corner, my Trezor is connected, $0. And then on the left here, we have the dashboard. I don't have anything on this device yet, so assets just shows me what the assets are. On the left, it looks like the graph's glitching out just a little bit on the right there. and then allows, initially trades for once I have funds on the device and so on. So what I'm going to do, just so we can test this out here, is I'm going to go ahead and do receive, and then I'm going to, because I have some BCH on my phone, I'm going to just do a quick transaction with about 10 cents and then send it while we're here and make sure that everything is smooth. So let me go ahead and send that here. I'm scanning the QR code on the screen with my phone. And I'm going to do 0.10 cents. Authorizing it on my phone. Okay, transaction was authorized. So it should take just a few minutes here to show back up. It looks like they updated the cash address format for Bitcoin Cash, which is good. So go ahead and close out of that and wait for a minute. Oh, so it looks like the Bitcoin Cash transaction here is already in the process of being received. It's still probably being verified on the blockchain. We'll make sure that everything is good to go here. So this is going to be the Assets tab here. As you can see, even though the graph is a little glitchy here, you can see here right where my mouse is that it is pending, meaning that it is just being verified on the blockchain. And it looks like I received 10 cents, 10.03 cents, and status is unconfirmed. You can also click here directly to look on the blockchain, and it looks through the public Block Explorer block chair. So I can go ahead here and check my transaction as well. So looks like we're doing pretty good. This graph, even I know this is just in beta, but the graph itself is usually pretty clean. You can do balance, you can do price, and then it kind of shows you everything that you need to know. But really exciting here. This will work with Trezor 1 as well as the Trezor Model T. Ultimately here, I'm really excited. Once I have this Bitcoin Cash, I won't keep the video that long, but on a different video here, once the Bitcoin Cash is confirmed, I will go ahead and initiate a trade on it as well. So you can see how the trading platform works. In fact, let me see if I can try to do it and include it in the same block. So it might not be ready, but let's see if I can transfer it into, let's say, Litecoin. Looks like I don't have enough, or it hasn't been confirmed yet. But this trading platform is pretty slick. I mean, a ton of a lot of the main coins, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, a lot of stable coins. The Ethereum-based DAI, Dash, Dogecoin, Ether, Litecoin, Maker. So this isn't the full list of assets that Shapeshift supports. This is just the amount of assets that are supported directly on Trezor. So these are the native coins directly supported by Trezor. So pretty nifty. If we go back to the dashboard, you'll see that that it has updated. I know it's kind of glitching out on the graph here, but it does show my one asset. Bitcoin Cash is already here. It actually looks like it might be confirmed. Let me try to refresh it here real quick. Oh, not quite yet. So even though it's connected, let me see, make sure that it's connected. I don't want to switch the wallet. So just wanted to give you a quick demo here. I know it's still in beta, but I wanted to kind of give you a preview of how it worked and what the process was to set it up with the Trezor. So if you do have a Trezor 1 or a Trezor Model T and you want to try, if you try to do seamless trades on the Shapeshift platform here, you can keep your private keys safe while you're trading, so you don't have to relinquish your private keys to an exchange. Very, very nifty. Even though the graphs and things look glitchy, as you saw, I was able to conduct a transaction when it started with a 0 balance and send over 10 cents as a test here, and it worked pretty good. So go ahead and try it out. Again, I'll have a link below for not only the Trezor as a referral link if you don't already have one, but I'm also going to leave the referral link for the Shapeshift beta where you can sign up for it, and then they will give you an invite code to log in and test this out. This is a pretty sweet platform, so I'm really looking forward to it as well. And then also, if you have if you want a keep key and you don't have a keep key as well, go ahead and leave me a comment on the video as well. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you go ahead and leave that in the comments, I'll send you a coupon code for 50% off your keep key. So it'll actually be the cheapest hardware wallet that you can get at the moment. But this video, I did want to go ahead and just explain and show that this is working currently with Trezor. And then Ledger is also coming soon. But this is a very good platform for doing non-custodial trading and keeping your private keys offline. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comments below. If you liked the video and found it interesting, found any value from it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up here. And then also subscribe to the channel. I'm fairly new to YouTube. I really appreciate it, guys. That's it for me today. Crypto Renegade out.